Hello friends, welcome to my channel Insights India. Today is 14th March 2023 and all the important questions that can be made of today's current affairs we will discuss in this video today, and I will also tell you the facts related to it. So watch full video carefully as it's important for all the competitive exams. So let's get started. First question is, which country's Prime Minister is coming on an official visit to India? So correct answer is A, Japan. The capital of Japan is Tokyo and the currency is yen, and the Prime Minister of Japan is Fumio Kishida. The joint training exercise Dharma Guardian between India and Japan has begun. India has overtaken Japan to become the third largest auto market globally. Joint exercise Veer Guardian 2023 between India and Japan has concluded. Malabar exercise 2022 has started in Japan. Second question is, who has been named as the new premier in the Parliament of China? So correct answer is C, Li Qiang. President of China is Xi Jinping and the capital is Beijing and the currency is renminbi. It is also known as Chinese yuan. China has launched the communication satellite Zhongxing 26. China appointed its ambassador to America Qin Gang as the new foreign minister. China has been at the top in the publication of scientific papers. China has launched a lab module named Mengtian for a space station. China has launched the first inhalable vaccine against COVID. Third question is, which country has organized the Tropics 2023 exercise in the Indian Ocean region? So correct answer is A, India. The exercise is organized by the Indian Navy. It has been proposed to form International Big Cat Alliance in India. India has installed the world's first bamboo barrier. According to IMF, India has the potential to contribute 15% of global growth in 2023. India has become the world's number one country in milk production. In which state the rare moss species Mymusemia salonica has been spotted? So correct answer is D, Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram and the governor is Arif Muhammad Khan and the chief minister of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan. Attukal Pongal is celebrated with great pomp in Kerala. A robotic elephant has been introduced to perform ritual duty at a temple in Kerala. Kerala has become the first state to use robotic scavengers to clean manholes. The Kerala High Court has become the first high court in the country to publish judgments in regional languages. Fifth question is, which country has passed the illegal migration bill? So correct answer is B, UK. Prime Minister of UK is Rishi Sunak and the capital is London and the currency of UK is pound sterling. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has been awarded Lifetime Achievement Honour by UK. Jagruti Yadav has been appointed as UK High Commissioner to India for 1 day. The UK has scrapped a proposal to cut taxes for the wealthy. Dadabhai Naorozi's house in London has got the Blue Plaque honour. Britain has become the first country to manufacture a vaccine for the Omicron variant. Sixth question is, where has the Chief Election Commissioner inaugurated the Vote Fest 2023? So correct answer is A, Bangalore. Seventh question is, what percentage of reservation has been announced by the central government for ex-Agniveers in BSF recruitment? So correct answer is D, 10%. BSF is Border Security Force and it was established in 1965 and is headquartered in New Delhi and its Director General is Sujoy Lal Thausen. Eighth question is, which bank has signed Memorandum of Understanding with Central Warehousing Corporation for financing farmers? So correct answer is C, PNB. Ninth question is, who will chair the 6th meeting of NASC? So correct answer is B. Piyush Goyal. NASC is National Startup Advisory Council. 10th question is who has been appointed as the interim chairman of LIC? So correct answer is A. Siddharth Mohanty. It was established in 1956 and is headquartered in Mumbai. Geeta Rana has become the first women officer to command the EME. B. Gopkumar has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of Axis Mutual Fund. Pramerica Life Insurance has appointed Pankaj Gupta as MD and CEO. SS Dubey has taken charge as the new Controller General of Accounts. Rashmi Shukla has been appointed as Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal. 11th question is which bank has entered into a co-lending partnership with Aadhar Housing Finance? So correct answer is C. Yes Bank. It was established in 2004 and is headquartered in Mumbai and its present chairman is Sunil Mehta. 12th question is which has become the first metro in India to accept digital currency for parking? So correct answer is B. Kochi Metro. 13th question is which state has recorded the first death due to H3N2 influenza virus? So correct answer is C. Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore and the chief minister is Baswaraj Bommai and the governor of Karnataka is Thawarchand Gehlot. Prime Minister Modi has inaugurated Shivamoga Airport in Karnataka. The chief minister of Karnataka has launched 108 Namma clinics. Asia's largest helicopter factory opened in Karnataka. Karnataka has won the Santosh Trophy after 54 years. The government of Karnataka announced the Amrit Nagar Upliftment Scheme. 14th question is who has inaugurated the Bangalore-Mysore Expressway? So correct answer is A. Narendra Modi. 15th question is who has topped the landslide index as per the recently released data? So correct answer is C. Both of the above. 16th question is who has topped the list of highest number of women billionaires in City Index 2023? So correct answer is C. America. The capital of America is Washington DC and the president is Joe Biden and the currency of US is dollar. ISRO has received the NISAR satellite jointly developed by India and the US. Indo-American woman Tejal Mehta has been nominated as the first judge of a US district court. Arun Subramaniam has been appointed as the Indian-American judge in the New York court. 17th question is Indian Air Force has signed a contract with HAL to buy how many Dornier 288 aircraft? So correct answer is D. 6. HAL is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and it was founded in 1940 and is headquartered in Bangalore. And its present chairman is R. Madhavan. 18th question is which country has chaired the 19th BIMSTEC ministerial meeting? So correct answer is B. Thailand. The capital of Thailand is Bangkok and the currency is Thai baht. 19th question is who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of Hindustan Unilever Limited? So correct answer is C. Rohit Zawa. 20th question is who will get the country's first electric pilgrimage corridor? So correct answer is A. Uttarakhand. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun and the chief minister is Pushkar Singh Dhami and the governor of Uttarakhand is Gurmeet Singh. The chief minister of Uttarakhand has announced the launch of self-employment scheme for single women. Uttarakhand will set up India's first government mother milk bank. India-Uzbekistan training exercise Daslik has started in Uttarakhand. Trial has been done to deliver tuberculosis medicine through drone in AIIMS Rishikesh. Anti-copying law come into force in Uttarakhand. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो आप लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को हिट करें। थैंक यू।